election tonight at 9 p.m.
Well, he was asked a simple question about problems in Amethi, but then aggressive Rahul chose to train his guns at the Prime Minister, with Rahul asking what has changed exactly in the last 100 days. The BJP countering his question in equal measure. Is Rahul simply trying to wriggle out of the power mess?
While visiting his constituency, Rahul Gandhi faced with a straight question.
मैंने भैया चीफ मिनिस्टर जी को चिट्ठी लिखी है जी, बहुत ज्यादा देखते हैं राहुल जी का ये क्षेत्र है।
But instead of answering on the power crisis in Amethi, the Congress Vice President questioning the Prime Minister.
Prime Minister is playing the drums in Japan. Prime Minister जापान में ढोलक बजा रहे हैं और यहाँ पे बिजली नहीं है, यहाँ पे पानी नहीं है, यहाँ पे सड़क नहीं है, यहाँ पे सब्जी के दाम ऊपर बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. Discussion is not acceptable.
And the BJP wasting no time in hitting back at Rahul Gandhi.
Whenever he opens a mouth or his actions, he goes into the press conference, insults the Prime Minister, then Manmohan Singh by tearing off the ordinance. So all those kind of things, he does it.
On its part, the Congress is defending its Vice President, saying he was raising some serious issues.
Rahul ji made a simple statement. It was not a debate. It was not an interview. So if you are trying to analyze his statement, you cannot say that our leader does not know facts.
But not just the BJP, even the BSP is questioning Rahul Gandhi.
Rahul Gandhi needs to shake himself up, he has to introspect, and he has not done that in these 100 days that have, the results have come since the Lok Sabha elections. Rahul Gandhi needs to answer some of the questions about his own government, which was there for 10 years.
The Prime Minister may have impressed many with his skills on the Japanese drums. But for the Congress, that is perhaps the sound of more problems to come as they gear up for another election. Bureau Report, Times Now.